guys, it's Dr. April Lynch coming to you from Bluegrass Veterinary Hospital here in Gallatin, Tennessee. Today you're not going to be seeing me, but somebody else entirely, one of our full-time associates, Dr. Amber Vibert. She is amazing. You're going to love her. She is so knowledgeable, and she has a passion about a lot of different areas of veterinary medicine that are very niche and also very cutting edge. So I want to introduce her and have her talk to you about a topic that is near and dear to her heart and something new that we are doing here that is so exciting. So take it away, Amber.
Hi, I'm Dr. Amber Vibert, and I'm here to talk to you about some regenerative medicine that we do here at Bluegrass Vet. It's called PRP. PRP stands for Platelet Rich Plasma, and it is something that the body produces. It's in your bloodstream. It's in dogs and cats' bloodstream, and it is used to target areas of injury and use the body's natural healing and concentrate it to an area of injury. What's really exciting about this form of treatment for a number of different conditions is that it is the body's own healing mechanisms. We are just taking it, enhancing it, and delivering it back to the patient. And there's very few side effects, if any, because it is the patient's own cells in their own body that are going right back to them. The great thing is that this is not very expensive, and I'm super excited to bring this here. I have a passion for maintaining health and comfort in our animals, and this helps us to do that. So Platelet Rich Plasma is really exciting because it is the body's own natural healing mechanisms that we are harnessing and delivering back to the patient. There are very few side effects, if any, because it's the patient's own cells that are being given back to them. So there's not a chance of like a reaction in that sense, like there could be with other drugs or other types of treatments. The most common uses for PRP are going to be orthopedic, or what we would call like joint, muscular, skeletal type of indications. So one of the more common things that we see in dogs is a cruciate ligament tear, like an ACL in a human, and humans get this all the time. Your football players that you watch on Sunday, they get this all the time. And it is amazing what these cells can do when they're concentrated. And you can also start to limit some of the other things that you might use to help keep your pets comfortable for things like arthritis or ligament tendon injuries. We use a lot of anti-inflammatory medications and other medications. You might be able to actually reduce or remove those from their treatment just by doing this cellular therapy. The procedure for obtaining PRP and then delivering it to the area of injury is quite simple. Patients are just sedated, and then we draw their blood, and we draw enough blood that we can spin it down and separate out the platelets from the other blood cells in your bloodstream. And once we have that separated and concentrated, it's very quick, we deliver it and inject it into the area of injury. So this treatment isn't available everywhere. Even as simple as it is, there's not many hospitals that have the expertise to bring this in and offer it to your pets, but we're excited that Bluegrass is. So not only do I treat my patients, but I myself have been a patient on the receiving end of PRP. So I had my own blood drawn, I had my own PRP injections in my shoulder. I have a bunch of tears and some arthritis, and it was amazing. And so I can speak from personal experience, and I have also used it in my own dog. So that's how much I believe in it. So if you see your pet having limping, maybe not being able to do some of the things that they used to do, even simple things like jumping up or wanting to go on walks, or the how excited they are to play ball. If you see that's changing for them, that's the time to come in and get a consultation. That's the time to do it. The earlier we can do something about it, the earlier we can get in there and try to change how they're healing, the better the outcome is going to be, and the more significant it'll be for them to be able to get back to playing. When I see the results that we can get in getting our pets comfortable, getting them to be able to move better, getting them to where they're back to playing, back to being themselves again, it warms my heart to see that. That is the goal, to make their life better with as natural of a process as we possibly can, and this is what it brings to us.
I hope you guys learned something today about PRP. It's really an amazing process, and we are happy to answer questions, take phone calls, and certainly Dr. Vibert is available for consultations. So if you think it's something that might be interesting or helpful for your pet, give us a call at Bluegrass Veterinary Hospital and schedule a consultation with Dr. Vibert today. She is really passionate about this new technology, and it has been life-changing for so many of our patients. So catch you guys later. Have a good one.